have seen a patient for more than 10 years. Right? At that point, they keep coming back. I always ask them, why do you keep coming back, Sarah or Nancy or John? I go, well, we just like your jokes. I know, or it just feels good. And a part of it too is once you have someone under care for a long period of time, now they have a higher standard of health. They don't want to lose that. Is it easier if you want to, for example, run, say, a 5K? Once you've ran a 5K and you want to do it, say, a month from now, do you go, I'm going to go to In-N-Out or McDonald's and eat burgers all day long and I'll see you in a month? No, you want to maintain that state of health. And so do people. Once they realize, okay, now I have this, I tell them once I stop seeing them, say, consistently for their symptom or their problem, I go, now you're going to know when you have that problem again, come in right away for that person. I have people that come to my office, again, been practice forever, that come in with just chest pain. Ever have that before? Chest pain. And like, okay, you've seen a cardiologist, right? They go, yeah, okay, good, thank God. No, you're not in the wrong place if you haven't seen a cardiologist yet. At that point, when I have that, I feel stressed. From stress. I'm like, perfect, got you. At that point, we know the nervous system, as we know, has your autonomic system, when you have your sympathetic, parasympathetic, correct? When you have that, I kind of break it down for them. That's your fight or flight, your stress response, and your relaxed state. Right now, you're in the stress state. Let's get you over to the relaxed state because you have that. When you have someone who's stressed, do you sometimes not sleep well? Did you ever ask that question? Like, oh, go, you sleep well? 9 out of 10 times. No, I'm like, oh, I didn't know that. Makes sense to you, right? At that point, we relate that to their symptom. We try to get that little bridge for them. Even though you have, for example, neck pain or headaches, that's related to now your lack of sleep, your lack of energy, your lack of being able to feel good. I tell them if I can read the room properly, that's why you're probably grouchy, right? I go, yeah, sometimes. So you gotta be able to go, can you get that little bit of a nod where they go, yeah, you got it. That's right. When we get that, you relate that back. Okay, my job, I tell them initially, especially after treatment too, my job, since you feel better now, I don't care how you feel, I want you to sleep better. I want your nervous system to be able to relax. Then your body can actually get to where you can do more things to keep it there.